that up.
Are you done with the frustration of having to use pots and pans?
Are you tired of constantly burning yourself when bringing things out of the oven?
Are you done with the hassle of slaving over a hot stove?
If you said yes to any of these, then we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the IFM, Instant Food MicroWave.
Hi, Outback Dave here, introducing the IFM, a product that you can't live without. IFM cooks whatever you want, whenever you want, by simply telling it what you're craving. First, you insert the food package into the IFM, like so. Then, simply tell it what you want, and it's all good.
Chimichanga!
And voila, a chimichanga. Single mother, 2 jobs, and a son right out of prison? No problem.
Pasta! Hi there, I'm Big Mama, and I'm here to talk about the IFM. I use it every day. It's a life-changing experience. It saves a lot of time and money. I mean, I work 2 jobs. I work at Walmart and I'm a waitress, really hard on my feet, especially at my old age. And I got an older son, like 30 years old, and he lives at home, just got out of prison, so I gotta take care of him, and he's always demanding because he don't know how to cook. So now I resort to the microwave, which I come home late at night, so it really helps me a lot. And also, it helps me lose weight because we don't gotta go buy fast food because I can get it at home. IFM, I recommend it.
IFM could be yours, only 4 easy payments at $59.95 plus shipping and handling. But wait, there's more. If you call within the next minute, we'll throw in this pooch. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Defeat the munchies, shut your stomach up now. Buy the IFM.